What?
Why? Right, we're all boarded, ready to go. Right, we're at Travis. We've just got our pure finish. Oh, my wallet. Can't get anything about wallet. Oh no, can't get anything about wallet demo. Right, Ashley Makefield, they get me pure finish for me. Just going to see Steve in the shop. Look what's in here. Look at this in here. What? Look what they've got in, boy. Right, we're back on the job. What day is this? 5, is it? Can't even remember. We went to do the patching. He had to rewire it. I don't know if it was me that screwed the wire or not, but I just can't see how I've done it. But anyway, hold that skin face. Hold that, Lionel.
Right, I'm putting it away now.
So we're going to, as quickly as we can, dab this room and try and catch up a little bit. Nothing hard and fast about it, just a matter of getting the boards cut and getting them thrown on.
What? Well, I thought there was some shit on lens. I think there was actually. No, I'm not sure. I don't know. What?
Why?
Why what?
Why do you do that? Spoil it.
Right. Go on, say it again. What's up?
I don't even know where I'm up to in the video now.
Like anyone's got this far anyway. You probably...
Right, you're ready to mix. Mix up and we'll get it dabbed as quick as we can. Go! Right, our skin face is going to mix up. I'm going to stop calling him Lionel because he doesn't like it. But what he does do, he does a cracking Bear Grylls impression. So take it over to Bear Grylls to mix up.
Yeah, you just put the water in, don't you? You should have known I was going to spoil it. I never do what you want me to do I? You should know that by now.
No, you don't.
Most important part of getting your mix ready is making sure you've got the right amount of water. And then just into your water, you stick your bond in like that. You gotta be careful when it goes in, because you don't want to get splashes coming back at you. The last thing you want is a face full of bonding. That'll really ruin your day. And what I had there, exactly the right amount of water to make sure the mix is a perfect ratio. In this area a few years ago, a couple of plasterers mixed up and the mix was too stiff. As a result, none of their boards stuck to the wall. Oh, that mile's too stiff. Never mind.
Right, we've had like a mad afternoon. We've dabbed all that. We've dabbed all this. Let me show you. Got my reveals on, got all round there done. Got this done. Fireplace is all done. Never mind that gap, Scrim will get that. And then I messed up here a little bit, I left it a bit short.
It's typical really.
Filled it in. A few gaps, but as long as they're filled in, it'll be fine. Liam's just dabbing the last wall. Once we've dabbed this, I'll dab them reveals on. Could have dabbed these on first really, and then worked to them, but because I've got to dab this side as well, I thought if I get this side on, I can use this board as a guide, let it fly through, that's hard to say, a couple of centimetres, and then that wall's ready, prepped for dabbing, because this is the last room and the next room to do. Same crack, overboard the ceiling, dab and skim the walls. skim the ceiling. Dab and skim the ceiling.
Dabbed your ceiling for you.
I've got the ceiling dabbed. Liam's just dabbing this. It is
home time nearly.
Just gone 2:10, which is not bad considering the day we've had. We've been over to do a bit of a patch this morning at Northwich, and then we've come all the way to Manchester and get this dabbed. I'm impressed. I thought I'd be here till about 4 o'clock dabbing, but I've not. We've calmed down and hit turbo boost. Well, I have.
Why has it dabbed itself, has it?
All you've done is put a few dabs on. Go quicker.
No, right.
Come on, lad. We've got to go and get skimming on the way home, don't forget. We've got to go and get some more Pure Finish. Hey, bit of an update on this Pure Finish. I don't know if it's just this batch or not, but it started tearing a little bit, which I'm not too happy about. If it starts doing that, I'll have to get on the phone to British Gypsum and give them a piece of my mind. Let me know if there's any plasterers in the
Try again.
If there's any plasterers, get in the comments if you use Pure Finish and it's starting to rip and tear. Not as bad as multi, but it was just starting to. It could have been a bit of wind out the window, you know. We had the window open and sometimes the draft off the window can dry it out and it tears a bit. And it was also around where upstairs where I did that round. It could have been because I'd gone over some dry stuff. I'll just have to keep my eye on it. Did you notice it? Did you notice it tearing, Liam?
Bang on for me. Really lovely, really creamy stuff.
Oh yeah, it would be.
I think it's just you.
Well, it is if you've only got a wall on. Hurry up.
Shut up.
I don't know what it is, but all week I've just wanted to get home. Get done, get up.
You know, you've been trying to dodge work all day.
I know. Neither didn't come here.
Like, it's not like get it on, get it done, and get gone. You're not even getting it on. Just get gone. Don't even turn up.
We did that patch and hours for going home. It was only Liam that said, oh, we may as well go and dab it.
I haven't done it fucking Saturday or something.
If you'd have said, yeah, go on, let's go on, we'd have been at home now.
Yeah, but that'll end up shooting me in the foot when you're like, I need you on a Saturday.
Or I might need you on Saturday anyway. No, I'm only joking.
So I was just about to say, you have a good job looking for me.
Right, we'll get this dabbed. Once we're all dabbed and we're finished, we're wrapped up, I'll just do a quick video to show you what we've actually done. Although you've already seen it. Catch you in a bit. If Liam actually finally ever speeds up and does a bit of dabbing.
Oh, you try, aren't you? I'm still recording. Oh, what a fucking old people in technology, aren't
Right, we're all boarded. Ready to go. Bit boring this bit, I know you've seen it, but I've done it all. Liam's cleaned out, we've had a clean up. We're ready to go first thing in the morning. We're gonna go and get some more Pure Finish. I've done all them round there. All ready to go. I should really address this problem, but I come up with an idea, then change my mind. I couldn't get that socket through the hole, so I thought, I wonder if I cut a square. Cut a square and do it like that, but it still wasn't right, so we had to take it off anyway. But we had to turn the lecky off. But I tried to do it. I tried something, it didn't work. Can you see what I was trying to do? I cut a big square, so I'd dab over it, and then I'd dab them two pieces in afterwards. But the socket was still behind the dabbing, and I was like, oh, what am I doing? So I turned the power off and I undid that. Because I had undid it. I did undo it, but it was like sparking and fucking about, so I was like, don't like the idea of that. Right, off to Travis now to go and get some Pure Finish. Right, we're at Travis. We've just got our Pure Finish. Oh, my wallet. Can't get anything about wallet. Oh no, can't get anything about wallet demo. Right, Ashley Makefield, they get me Pure Finish for me. Just going to see Steve in the shop. Look what's in here. Look at this in here. What? Look what they've got in, boys. I'll just get one of them. No. I don't think so. I'm not buying that. SBO with pink dye in it. Come on, boys. You know better than that. Right, that's it. I'm done for the day. Avoid that. You can buy it if you want to, but why? It's SBO with pink in it. But it's up to you, boys. At least you know it's in here now. That's an advert for Travis and an advert for Kirky Boy. Anyway, just been done at Travis Perkins. Hey, look what else they've getting into. Me wrapper end beads. There you go. That's another day done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, get in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow when I'm skimming that bedroom. Oh, no, it's not a bedroom, it's a living room.